Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android head unit car DVD player for Mazda 3, 26 to 29 years. Okay, here is the box. Let me unbox review. Open the box. You can check this Mazda 3 DVD player. Okay, let me introduce the honey set first. You can check this come with honey special for Mazda 3. You can check Mazda 3 canvas box. This canvas box comes with head units. Okay, here is the radio antenna. Okay, here, this is connect to back of head unit. This Mazda 3 power cable. Okay. The head unit will come with the install parts. This install part with screw. Okay. The head unit comes with GPS antenna. It's front mini USB. This back of USB connects this microphone port, microphone to USB, and remote controller. External microphone. This red camera input. Okay, and this video input. And AUX input left and right. Okay. This is audio cable, subwoofer, and video out 1 and video out 2. This audio cable front and rear, left and right. Output, okay. Okay, this is driver agent. Okay, please take out this two screw before installing. Okay, you can check this front mini front USB. And let me check the back. This GPS antenna, power port is fuse. Blue is fuse. Okay, it's connector, Wi-Fi antenna, radio port. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. And you can check okay, head unit will be start. Okay, you can check this SD card slot, two SD card slots, the volume button, IR reset, home button, DVD slot. This supports DVD slot. Okay, let me check please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, I will take it out later. Let me check the system. You can check this model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. It's built in the Google Maps and Play Store. You can install the wallpaper. Okay, already installed the wallpaper. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, you can please contact to us.